How can I redeem my Apple gift card if I don't have an Apple ID?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to address a common question. How can I redeem my Apple gift card if I don't have an Apple ID? We'll walk you through the necessary steps, making sure you can enjoy the benefits of your gift card, even without an Apple account.
Understanding the basics.
Before we start, it's important to understand the function of an Apple ID. This is a free account from Apple that lets you access Apple services, including the iTunes Store, App Store, iCloud, iMessage, and more. Essentially, to redeem and utilize an Apple gift card, an Apple ID is usually needed.
Creating an Apple ID.
If you don't have an Apple ID, don't worry, creating one is simple and free. You can make an Apple ID on your computer, iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Here's how. 1. Go to the App Store. 2. Click on the top right profile icon. 3. Select Create New Apple ID. 4. Fill out the necessary information, including your email, password, name, and birthday. 5. Agree to the terms and conditions. 6. Click on Create Apple ID.
Redeeming your Apple gift card.
Now, onto the part you've been waiting for, redeeming your Apple gift card. Here are the steps. 1. Open the App Store on your device. 2. Click on the top right profile icon. 3. Scroll down to Redeem Gift Card or Code. 4. Enter the code on the back of your gift card. 5. Click Redeem. After you've followed these steps, your Apple gift card balance should be available in your Apple ID. You can now use it to purchase apps, music, movies, iCloud storage, and more. Congratulations! You've successfully created an Apple ID and redeemed your Apple gift card. We hope this guide has been helpful. Now go and enjoy the world of digital content that your gift card opens up. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. Happy shopping!